This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good afternoon, you guys. It's H&L. What's up, you guys? So right now we are making some not Caesar salad. What am I talking about? Lasagna. That's it. I could talk right now. But today we are making some really good lasagna. Crock pot lasagna. Yeah. So right now I'm just cooking up the hamburger and doing like that. So I will talk to you guys when I make it. So talk to you guys then. This is what it looks like, you guys. Yes, this is what it looks like. So, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm just gonna grab some cheese, because I love some cheese. And cheese is really good. And really nice to have some cheese, because I love some cheese. Also, got some new stuff along the way. Please bear with me while we are going to do some collaborations maybe together. One of my friends and me are doing a collaboration this week on Saturday. We already filmed, so that's pretty cool. Long time ago, but we are doing some more videos with you guys because you guys are so awesome and supportive. Thank you so much. So that's pretty nice and chillaxing. So, I think I got everything that I need to say. I don't know. Jesus. I could use these up. Totally forgot that I had yogurt in the fridge. Totally forgot that I had some yogurt in the fridge that's expired. Expired yogurt. I don't know how edible it is. Let's see. Tastes not bad. Look at the expired date, you guys. Focus. Okay, I will just read it. December 20th, 2017. Yeah, I'm eating expired yogurt. But, if you guys want me to do any more collaborations or some wallets, just leave it down below. And I'm going to end today's video, so talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye!
Lottery shows me what it means to live my life, follow my dreams. So don't forget to subscribe or give it a thumbs